Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a quick beauty from Dior unboxing and it is sitting right here. It came in this box that has the Toile de Jouy lining, and I think if you are a platinum member you also get a free bag. So I don't know what that was and I just ordered it, and it's just a regular Dior bag, which is pretty neat if you're giving it as a gift. And yeah, so it's something that you can ship to yourself and then pack it up for somebody else. Inside there's a receipt and then a ton of goodies in here. I decided to go for the eco-friendly box, so there's no box. So as you can see, they just put everything into this shipping box, which is fine because I do not need any more boxes. Although some of their really nice like holiday, like Mother's Day, you know, special edition ones are really cute. So especially the one for Mother's Day this year, it has like butterflies everywhere, super pretty. By the way, there are a lot of gift with purchase codes. If I could find it, I'll list it in the description box below. So what did I get? I actually was interested in a couple of their kind of skincare slash makeup removing items, and they just became back in stock. So one of them is this one. It is the Lay by Phase Off On. So if you have tried their on off face wash, this is kind of I think the same line because it looks very much like it. So just to show you, that's what it looks like. You shake it up and then it becomes one instead of like by face, and then yeah, it could remove your makeup very easily, even waterproof makeup. One of the cool things about this is that it does not give your skin that greasy feeling where a lot of removers for like waterproof makeup remover would. So I'm excited to try that. And it also leaves your skin like soothed, reinforces the eyelashes as well as balance your skin. So I hope that's what it does, and yeah, I'll give it a try and see if I wanted to continue to use this. The other skincare item is Low Micellar On Off. Again, same line. This one is pink in color, and this one is one that you kind of use again to remove your makeup, but it's like a micellar water. So in this case, this one, it removes makeup and impurities. It leaves your skin hydrated, glowing, and you don't need to rinse for this one. So yeah, I love using this right before going to bed because you can just do it and then go to sleep. All right, the next thing I got is a Lip Addict Lip Glow, and I love these a lot. These are, I have so many of these. This one is in the minty color, so kind of looks like that. Very nice. I don't think it'll actually give you any color, but I love the look of it, and I always have these in all of my bags. This and the Lip Maximizer. So these are the two that I always usually have in a bag. All right, the last thing I bought from this order is actually this. I love their Bath and Body items, but every time I buy like a bottle of something, which it looks nice, I kind of feel wasteful tossing it after, and I keep repurchasing it. But now they have a refillable. So this one is the Jasmine d'Ange. I don't actually know how to pronounce it very well, but it is a liquid hand and body soap. So if you have the original or a bottle, you can easily refill it, which is really nice. It's way more eco-friendly. Yeah, because all the bottles are really nice even after, so there's no need to toss it. And so yes, they have different scents, so definitely look into this if you like their Bath and Body as well. The rest of this box is filled with goodies, so I'll show you what comes with this order as freebies. The freebies I got in this pouch is, let's see, I got a perfume, another perfume, and then a, off mousse. This is the off on. So this is the other item that you probably use after the bi-phase makeup remover. So there's a little travel size, which is lovely. I always like to bring these when I go anywhere. And then I also got this Lip Maximizer. This is the other thing I mentioned that I did not purchase, but I really usually I like and I usually purchase, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this pink color, and it's great for mini bags or clutches because You get the same product, but you don't have to take up space. Okay, so the item that I am actually the most excited about, but it was actually a gift and may have prompted me to check out because I already had these in my cart and I saw this promo code come up, and it is this. I am excited. I hope it's what I expect it to be. Okay, so it is the little Dior makeup pouch, and it has this little like handle on the top. So cute. It is actually smaller than I thought, but nonetheless super cute. It's in this patent material, so it does attract fingerprints, I'm guessing, but it is a free gift. So let me just show you. Oh wow, it's black lined on the inside with the CD, and it's this kind of wipeable material. It does come packed like this so that keeps its shape. On the inside it just looks like that, so very pretty. I mean, let me just show you with my phone. I have the Pixel 10 and it will not fit any shape or maybe if you put it like diagonal like this. No, still no. Anyway, it won't fit your phone, which I did not expect to put my phone in here, but just in case you were thinking about this for that purpose, it's not going to fit. But if you do have makeup or something like that, that would be great. For example, like the lippy that I just bought, you could see it fits quite nicely in there. The Biphase makeup remover, oh, it won't fit tall wise, but it will fit sideways. Yeah, so you may need to put smaller items in here, but for sure lipstick and smaller compacts and stuff will fit in here quite nicely. But this is very cute. It's a free gift. I will put in the description the code for this if it's still available. They do run out. Some of these codes do have restrictions, so you have to purchase a minimum in order to get it, but if you were gonna like have a cart ready anyway, you may as well try it at checkout because these are lovely. Like I said, this is a little bit smaller than some of their other vanities, but it is a free gift, so yeah, just expectations, right? But it is super cute. I love it, and yeah, this thing can go down as well. So let me know your thoughts on these items. Are you interested? I will also put the Mother's Day one here as well because I think that one is super pretty with all the butterflies. They have a few new products as well, one of which I don't know if it's already on my Instagram, but it is this cute new Dior hand cream in pink color with the Miss Dior scent. I love it so much, and there's also a compact with like daisies on it, super pretty with a little ladybug. I'll pop them up here if I could find it. I'll link them all in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!